You wake up in Vice City. You wake up in Vice City. The first thing you feel is the heat. The sun burns through the window. Outside, the streets are already alive. Sports cars scream past palm trees. Music shakes from open doors. Neon signs glow even in daylight. Everyone looks rich, dangerous, or both. For a moment, this place feels like paradise. Then you realize paradise has teeth. You have nothing. You check your pockets. There's almost nothing inside. No money, no home, no friends waiting for you. Only an old phone with a cracked screen. Only a name nobody cares about. Vice City does not welcome weak people. It only respects money, power, and fear. And right now, you have none. Beautiful, but dangerous. From far away, Vice City looks perfect. Blue beaches stretch under golden sunlight. Luxury towers rise into the sky. Expensive cars shine beside the ocean. But when you walk closer, the truth appears. Every smile feels like a warning. Every handshake feels like a deal. Every deal hides a trap. And every trap has a price. This city is beautiful because it knows how to hide danger. Your first choice. A stranger notices you on the street. He says he has a job for you. He says it is simple. He says it is easy money. He says nobody will get hurt. But you can hear the lie in his voice. You know this is the wrong path. But hunger makes danger look smaller. You can walk away and stay nobody. Or you can step forward and become something. The first job goes wrong. The first job begins at night. You sit in the back of a stolen car. Your hands are sweating. Your heart beats faster than the engine. The plan sounds simple. Get in. Take the bag. Get out. But the moment you touch the money, sirens scream. Police lights flood the street behind you. And your new life starts with a chase. You taste the money. Somehow, you escape. For the first time, you hold real cash. The money feels heavier than you imagined. It feels like freedom. It feels like power. You buy new clothes. You rent a better room. You ride through the city with the windows down. People start looking at you differently. You are still nobody, but now nobody ignores you. Fame finds you. One video changes everything. Someone recorded your escape. By morning, the whole city has seen it. Your face is on every phone. Some people laugh. Some people cheer. Some people call you crazy. Some people start looking for you. You wanted money, but fame found you first. Trust becomes dangerous. A crew invites you in. They smile like brothers. They call you family. They give you protection. They give you better jobs. They teach you how the city really works. But in Vice City, loyalty is never free. Everyone wants something. Everyone hides something. And the person closest to you may be the most dangerous. The police are watching. The city begins to notice you. Cameras follow your car. Police lights appear in your mirrors. Helicopters circle above the streets. Your name moves through radios you cannot hear. Every job becomes harder. Every escape becomes closer. Every mistake becomes evidence. You're not just chasing money anymore. You are running from the whole city. And the city is learning your face. You rise through the streets. But somehow, you keep winning. You get faster cars, better clothes, bigger jobs, more dangerous enemies. People start whispering your name. Doors open when you arrive. Enemies move when you speak. The streets begin to fear you. You are no longer surviving Vice City. You are rising through it. The betrayal. Then, one night, everything breaks. A friend sends you to the wrong address. The deal feels strange from the beginning. The room is too quiet. The money is not there. The crew is gone. Then the doors open. Police rush in from every side. Your phone goes silent. You lose the cash. You lose your trust. And for a moment, you almost lose your life. You hit rock bottom. You hide in a dark motel room. Rain hits the window. Blood dries on your shirt. Your phone has no messages, no crew, no plan, no one coming to save you. The city outside keeps moving without you. For the first time, you feel small again. You look at yourself in the mirror. You ask one question. What have I become? One last score. Then the final offer comes. One job, one night, one chance to disappear forever. The money is impossible. The risk is worse. If you fail, you lose everything. If you win, the city will never forget you. Every lesson has led to this moment. Every mistake has made you colder. Every betrayal has made you smarter. So you say, yes, the final chase. The final score begins before sunrise. The streets are empty. The engine is ready. Your hands are shaking. Then everything explodes. Police cars flood the road. Helicopters tear through the sky. Neon lights blur around you. Sirens scream from every direction. Your past is chasing you. Your enemies are chasing you. The whole city is chasing you. And you drive like this is the last morning of your life. You become a legend. At dawn, you stand above Vice City. The ocean glows below you. The city is finally quiet. You have the money. You have the name. You have the legend. But something inside you is different. You came here looking for freedom. You found power instead. You became rich. You became feared. You became unforgettable. But you did not escape Vice City. Vice City became you.